What's up, CaineandJass squad?
It's your boy Caine.
And it's your girl Jass.
And today we're back with another video.
Today, you guys, we are back with a cooking video. And as you can see, we will be baking a cake with you guys.
Yes, sir.
We will be baking a cake. You will need, of course, your cake mix. Yeah, wait. Before I get into the video any further, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to that channel, and drop them comments down below on how well we bake this cake and tips on how to bake the cake.
And right now we are recording off my Galaxy S10. The camera dead.
It just died.
Drop down a comment below of how well this quality is on the S10.
Right.
And how it is.
Okay. We got, of course, you gotta start with your cake mix. You're gonna need 3 eggs, some oil. I also got some oil for the cake pan or whatever. You can use oil. Just use oil. And then you need your measuring cup for oil and water when it's time to mix the cake mix. And I got a blender. I mean a mixer. Sorry, I got a mixer. Look at me think about drinking. I got a mixer. If you don't have a mixer, you can just use a spoon.
Yes, sir.
It's okay. Okay.
But real back, y'all. I got on the Caine And Jass shirt, man.
Yes, the merch will be coming soon, you guys. We got 2 shirts. We start off with 2 shirts. We got 2 shirts right now. And I'm going to go over to the oven because my oven takes some time to start up.
So that. How y'all been, man? We have been going for too long.
Everything over here is all as well. The kids are about to be out of school.
Shout out to our kids too. Our oldest on the honor roll. 4th quarter honor roll. She did that. I made some Green Bears. Was good.
Trying not to get this all over my clothes. Okay. You got your cake mix in your bowl. First thing you want to do is add some oil.
I'm never up here watching Michigan. I'm making a cake.
No. If you ever need help, the ingredients and instructions is right on the back of the box.
So you need what?
You got first you start off with some oil once you got your cake mix in your bowl. Don't forget you do need that measuring cup.
How much oil you need?
Oil, 1/3.
1/3 oil.
1/3 of oil. Just pour it in there. Rinse it out because you're gonna need some water.
Y'all are now baking with Caine And Jass.
Baking with Caine And Jass, cooking with Caine And Jass. There will be more.
Let us know if we get some aprons, you know. Apron, because I got up in the apron and got a name on them too. But yeah, we are vlogging off the Galaxy S10.
1 cup of water. You just pour it in there. Next, get you 3 eggs.
I'm just keep checking to make sure it's still recording, you know, because we can't see ourselves. We need the back camera.
Yeah.
So we can't see ourselves.
Don't make no mistakes by dropping those shells in there.
No shells in the cake. I want to be.
What's good?
No shells.
So you would need 3 eggs. Once you have your butter, they say butter on there. I don't use butter, I use oil. Once you have your oil, your water, and your 3 eggs mixed in the bowl, this is what it will look like. It will look like that. Once you have your oil, water, and 3 eggs in here, next you just get your mixer. Remember, if you don't have a mixer, you can always use a spoon. Oh, we didn't even say what kind. You guys, we're making a chocolate cake, by the way. Chocolate cake.
Yeah, come closer. All right, thumbnail. All right.
You come get in with me too, though.
Dang.
Okay, so we can get a good thumbnail. Gotta get a thumbnail in real quick. Chocolate cake. Okay, once you got everything mixed up, let's go on and mix her up. Okay, so you guys, once you mix it up in a mixer, you want to mix it about a good maybe 10 minutes or 20 minutes or so, just so you won't see no you see those bubbles in there. Can you see? You see those bubbles in there? You don't want to see too many of those bubbles. You don't want to see too many of these bubbles in here, so you'll want to keep mixing it for a good about 10-20 minutes, or you don't want it to be lumpy. Oven just be, that's what I be talking about. That oven take forever to heat up. Make sure you get all the sides. Even if you don't get all the sides, you can just take your spoon and scrape it around. I bake all the time. So there's less bubbles and it's not lumpy. It's time for it to go into our cake pan.
Well, what I want, this bowl is done. All around that boy.
So now I have some spray oil. You can take regular oil. Here's the regular oil. Now with the regular oil, what you want to do is you can pour it in the top or you can pour it in your cake pan. Once you pour the oil into your cake pan, you want to move it around so it can get all around in the cake pan, so your cake won't stick when it's time for it to come out. So I just, when I have the oil in here, I just, you know, turn it around, take my hand, mix it all in there. Nothing major.
You did?
Well, today I'm not going to use that oil. I like canola oil. Comment down below if you use canola oil. I love canola oil. I think it's a little bit better than vegetable oil. But this is my but oil is oil, except for olive oil and all that stuff. So I'm going to just take my spray oil and spray it around in here. I kind of like the spray oil because it's less messier. I don't have to, you know, use my hands or whatever, but hey, oil is oil. Make sure you want to get it all around so the cake won't stick. And you can also move this oil around too.
And that 2K giveaway is still going up, guys. Like I said, end of month, what this month is, probably like I said, the 30th, whatever, we're doing a giveaway. We're going live on YouTube, so make sure you be there. First one come in, get $50 automatic, and we're dropping gift cards, you know. I'll be ready. All right, man.
Okay, babe, now I'm gonna need your help.
Here.
As I pour you, okay, you might need a little help, you might not, but I like when I get help to spin the little cake pan around so I can get it everywhere. Just like this. Move it back. Now this is the time you're gonna need your spoon. Get your spoon and scrape all the rest of the cake mix out of the bowl into your cake pan. Whoa, made a mistake there. The cake mix is in the cake pan.
Show them. Make sure the camera can see it.
Okay, you guys, so once you have everything already mixed up and you put it in your cake pan, this is what it would look like. It look a little like water, but no, it don't. You know, jiggly. I'm sorry, it look a little jiggly or whatever. And you got everything in your cake pan. You put it in the oven for a good about 34, 40 minutes. I don't normally time mine. I just know when it's done. You'll know when it's done because your cake will be rised up and it'll be pretty and brown. So we're gonna go to the oven and wait. I would put a timer on, but I don't need to put no timer on because I actually know like when it's done. But you can put a timer on if you need to put a timer on. I don't need one on. You'll know. And once it's almost done, what you want to get is a knife. You get you a knife or forks. Get a knife or a fork and stick it into the cake once it's already look like it's fluffed up and done. So that's how you'll know. We'll get back to that once the cake is you know, baked up a little bit. Once it's baked up a little bit, we're gonna take this knife right here, stick it into the cake while it's still in the oven to see if it's dry in the inside and that it's all the way done cooked. So stay tuned, you guys. Wait till the cake is done. Okay, y'all. I forgot a quick tip before you do everything. Make sure you, if you have a slow oven like us, make sure you preheat your oven for 350. Make sure your oven is on 350 for your cake. And a quick update on the cake, as you can see, you look around on the side, on the sides, it's already getting a little bit of brown and crisp, but it's not ready for that knife or that fork to go in there yet.
Not just yet.
It's still wet. So you give it a little bit more time. I just forgot to tell you guys about the oven. Make sure you turn it on 350.
All right, y'all, we back.
All right, you guys. So remember the part I was telling you about? Can you see the cake? Here come one of the kids. I can hear them. Okay, so remember the part I was telling y'all about with the knife? You just want to take your knife, stick it in there, make sure it's dry. See that? It's dry.
That means it's
so
ready.
That means it's ready to come out.
Ready.
And once it comes out, you just gotta, what I do is, hold on, let me put, because I hear the kids. Once you take it out the oven, what I do is around the edges and then this circle part, the centerpiece right here, I just take the knife and just gently go around it just to get it from unstuck. So once it loosens up, it'll be loosened and it's time for you to transfer it onto your plate. Be careful, you don't want to break it. Okay, and you gotta wait for this to cool down, so we're gonna wait a little bit for it to cool down.
Well, the kids here, so y'all come talk to them. We got
Two ran down because they were too scared because Daddy said, who is that? They got scared because they dog ran in the wind.
They thought about getting in
Wait, what
trouble.
are you doing?
We are baking a cake.
Oh, not to mention, I did just hook up some yummy, some spaghetti, and I'm about to already start on the fish, as you can see. And I already got the garlic bread and shooting this video. You know?
You did.
Yeah.
So we're gonna let this cake warm up real quick so we can flip it over and throw the frosting on it, and we'll get back to y'all.
All right, you guys. So once you are done, once the cake is cool, the whole pan is cool, you want to get you a plate. And what you want to do is lift it up like this, okay? Fall straight in there. If you have to shake it down, you can shake it down. And voila, that baby is golden brown. Let's fix it a little. Okay. Get your frosting. You can get whatever kind of frosting you want. I just chose to get a chocolate frosting, chocolate. And then what you want to do is just start putting it, spreading it everywhere, all around. Just a little bit of everywhere. I'm finishing up some fish in the background. I was in the middle of cooking dinner and shooting this video for you guys. I just want to spread it everywhere. You might end up using a whole thing or not if you don't want it to be that chocolatey or whatever kind you baking. I sometimes like to use the whole thing because what the heck. It might be a different cake we make next time. And don't forget that middle piece in the center. Do not forget your center and make sure you get all the edges and around it. It's okay if some cake come off in the middle. That's normal. Okay, can you turn it off for a little bit? Guys, here is the ending of the chocolate cake.
Yes, sir.
This bad baby looks so scrumptious and yummy. Okay, so once it's done, if you have a cake cover and stuff, I just put it in here and wait until dinner is done or whatever tomorrow when we dig into this baby.
Cut me a cake now.
Okay.
Cut me a cake now. So we can end this vlog off right.
Okay, yeah, we can bust it to the cake.
We're doing for the CaineandJass squad, man.
Nice, good.
Alright. Here you go, hold it.
My hands were out there.
I'm gonna try to taste.
Okay, I got it. It is crazy. Alright, how does it taste, man?
Man, this junk's good.
Bomb delicious. Alright, you guys, that's the end of this video. We hope you enjoyed this cooking video with us. Cooking this delicious chocolate cake. Make sure you give that video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so you won't miss a video. Peace.